Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: modem and router model, admin login, and a laptop for tests. Run a wired speed test to capture baseline Mbps so you know what to improve and why. Next, power cycle both devices to clear transient issues, then move the router to a central, elevated spot. Make sure it's away from microwaves and thick walls. Once done, document results and the devices connected. This saves time when you change settings and need to compare performance. Now you dive into settings to unlock speed. First, update firmware. Outdated code limits performance and security. Then, change wireless channel to one less crowded. Use 1, 6, or 11 on 2. 4 GHz or pick a clear 5 GHz channel, and test 20 versus 40 versus 80 MHz channel widths to see what yields higher stable Mbps. Enable 5 GHz for close, high bandwidth devices because it gives faster rates, and keep 4 GHz for range and finish by rebooting modem and router, then rerun wired and wireless tests to validate gains. Compare to your baseline so you can quantify improvement. If some devices still struggle, enable Co-S to prioritize traffic, hardwire high-use devices, or evaluate a mesh system or ISP plan upgrade. If you don't see expected speed, isolate one device, test directly on the modem to check the line, and only then contact your ISP. This troubleshooting order saves time and avoids unnecessary hardware swaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.